What's up, guys? Welcome back to Become Calisthenics. I know it's been a while. I've been a little busy with college and stuff, but I want to show you some workouts you could be doing at home. I'm currently at the park, but I'm going to be showing you some that you can do it at home because, you know, with all the stuff that's been going around, the coronavirus, you might not be able to work out at your gym. So I'm going to be showing you some home workouts that you can do with your own body. So the first workout we're going to be doing is pike push-ups. Now these pike push-ups are kind of like handstand push-ups, but an easier version. It's usually the first version you would want to learn if you were going to handstand push-ups. But for this version, it's the beginner level. So it's going to target your shoulders and really give those shoulders a good pump. So what you want to do is get into a V-shaped position. Make sure whenever you're going down, you want to keep your elbows locked in and close to your side. You don't want to have them flared out. So you're going to go into V-shaped position and then press down, press back up. Like I said, when doing these, you don't want to have your shoulders flared out because you won't really work in those shoulder muscles. So I'm going to show you what you don't want to do. So this is what you don't want to do. You want to have them nice and close to your body. So this next shoulder workout we're going to be doing is called Pseudo Pushups. On these ones, it's kind of like you're doing a regular push-up, but instead of your hands closer to your chest, your hands are closer to your side so that you're working your shoulders more instead of your chest. It'll also work your chest, but it'll work your shoulders more. So you want to get like in a push-ups position. I usually like to have my hands away from my body, and then you want to lean forward as much as you can. The farther you lean, the more you're engaging your shoulders and having to work them. So, and then you're just going to go down. Or whenever you're doing these, you want to make sure that you're having your hands as close to your hips as possible. But if you can't do those, try to just gradually lean forward at each time you do them to make the progression harder. You can start with your closer to your chest. It'll still work your shoulders, but as time goes on, as the more you practice, you will start leaning forward more, and it'll start working the shoulders more. All right, so the next workout we're going to be doing is called elevated pike holds. Now this is the same thing of how you would do if you were in a handstand position. Whenever you're doing a handstand, you're having to push down with your shoulders and your arms, and you have to keep those shoulders tight and flexible, and that'll help you work your shoulders. But this one is an easier version. It's usually the first step if you want to learn a handstand, but it's also great for working your shoulders. So if you have a bench or a chair or anything elevated, you want to put your feet on there, and then make sure you're in an elevated position and just push against the ground the whole time. Like I said, remember, whenever you're doing these, you want to push onto the ground, push with your hands, and make sure you're engaging those shoulders the whole time. And so it will really effectively work those shoulders really well and benefit them whenever you're doing your body weight shoulders. All right, so the last shoulder workout we're going to be doing is you have two options, either planche leans or bent arm planche leans, depending on which one you want to do, depending on which difficulty you are. You can choose either one. So I'm going to be showing you both of them. Both work effectively with your shoulders, so that's a good thing. So for the planche lean, it's the same thing as the planche push-ups or the planche lean push-ups, but instead of pushing down, you're just holding it the whole time and engaging those shoulders. The farther you lean, the harder it is. And then for the bent arm planche leans, it's the exact same thing, but instead you're bending your arms and making sure they're closer to your hips. So you would lean the same way and then just bend and hold. Like I said, both are effectively working your shoulders, and that's a good thing. So those are some of the shoulder workouts you can do at home. Like I said, you don't need any equipment. All you need is your body weight. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more content like these. Thank you.